Krishna. Welcome to this Gita Yoga Saturday Gita session. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. 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 Krishna. Everybody first time to everybody the name Goti Akshay. Answer? Please welcome the soul by chanting Om Hare Krishna mantra. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare. So please come forward. आगे आइए सब लोग. So today we are going to discuss from Bhagavad Gita as it is, 18th chapter, text number 64, 18.64. Bhagavad Gita as it is, 18th chapter, 64. Please repeat the sutra. Sarva Bhujyatmam Bhuyam Shuru Me Paramam Vachaham Ishtosmi Dridam Iti Tato Vakshami Te Hitam Sarva Bhujyatmam Bhuyam Shuru Me Paramam Vachaham Ishtosmi Dridam Iti Tato Vakshami Te Hitam Sarva Bhujyatamam Bhuyam Shuru Me Paramam Vachaham Ishtosmi Dridam Iti Tato Vakshami Te Hitam. Translation purpose Prabhupada ki Jai.
Because you are my very dear friend, I am speaking to you my supreme expression and the most confidential knowledge of all. Hear this from me, for it is for your benefit.
The Lord has given Arjuna knowledge that is confidential, knowledge of Brahman, and still more confidential, knowledge of the super soul within everyone's heart. And now he is giving the most confidential part of knowledge. Just surrender unto the Supreme Personality of Godhead. At the end of 9th chapter, he has said, Manmana, just always think of me. The same instruction is repeated here to stress the essence of the teachings of Bhagavad Gita. This essence is not understood by the common man, but by one who is actually very dear to Krishna, a pure devotee of Krishna. This is the most important instruction in all Vedic literature. What Krishna is saying in this connection is the most essential part of knowledge, and it should be carried out not only by Arjuna but by all living entities.
Sri Chaitanya Mahavishnu Slavana Vijayapurvade Swayambhava Kathavati Pradadisa Pradayam Namo Vishnu Padaya Krishna Prasthadavade Shri Hare Jayapataka Swami Name Acharya Padaya Nitya Pradayam Gaurava Davayam Nitya Namo Vishnu Padaya Krishna Prasthadavade Shri Hare Jayapataka Swami Name Namaste Saraswati Devi Gaurava Nirvishesha Shri Bhashyati Devanaya Jai Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Shivasa Gaurava Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Mancha Kalpatarusha Kripasaturvya Chakatita Navadivya Vaishnavya Hare Krishna. So, we are almost the conclusion part of Bhagavad Gita. So here, Krishna is glorifying two things. One is the knowledge. Another is the intimacy of the relation. भगवान यहाँ दो चीज को बोलता है. एक है ज्ञान का गुण क्या, ज्ञान से क्या हमको क्या मिलेगा. दूसरा क्या, इंटीमेसी ऑफ रिलेशन. हिंदी में क्या बोलेगा, इंटीमेसी ऑफ द रिलेशनशिप. हिंदी में भगवान से इंटीमेसी ऑफ रिलेशनशिप. एक मित्र दूसरा मित्र से कितना पति पत्नी के बीच में इंटीमेसी होता है. तो इंटीमेसी ऑफ द रिलेशन बिटवीन गॉड एंड द जीवा. ओके, डिस्कस something. Okay, so in the previous verses, three things are explained, not this previous chapters. The fourth chapter, 4.9, Krishna is telling what is the benefit of jnana. ज्ञान से क्या गुण होता है. जन्म कर्म चमे दिव्यम एवं योगे तत्तः व्यक्त्वा देह पुनर्जन्म नित्यं यीशु अर्जुना. भगवान का जन्म और कर्म को समझने से हमको क्या मिलेगा, क्या मिलता है. वापस ये दुनिया में नहीं आना तो मोक्ष मिलता है. So Bhagavan is telling, Lord is telling, if you understand, if you have a knowledge about my appearance and karma, you won't come back to this material world. The right understanding will lead us to liberation. हम भगवान के बारे में समझे तो मोक्ष मिलेगा. ओके, सेकंड थिंग, अवजानान्ति मामूढ़ा. दैट श्लोका, the two things are explained. One is, first is knowledge, jnana. Second is ajanati. Ajanati means ignorance, ajnana. Third is avajanati. Avajanati means what? Misunderstand. मिसअंडरस्टैंड हिंदी में क्या, गलत में समझना. गलत में समझना क्या हो जाएगा. प्रॉपर अंडरस्टैंड से क्या मिलेगा, वो अज्ञान से क्या दोष होता है. फिर थर्ड बार गलत में समझने से उसका रिजल्ट क्या है. थ्री थिंग्स. प्रॉपर अंडरस्टैंडिंग मोक्ष मिलेगा. अज्ञान से मोक्ष नहीं मिलेगा, पाप नहीं, कुछ नहीं है, तो वी आर लूजिंग अवर चांस. मिसअंडरस्टैंड होने से क्या होता है, गलत में समझने से क्या होता है. सपोज द क्लास इज गोइंग अप, वन ओल्ड मैन इज कमिंग. बूढ़ा आदमी अंदर आता है. ओके, इधर हम तो 20 लोग बैठे हैं क्लास में. 2-3 लोग को समझा वो भगवान हनुमान है. कौन है? हनुमान है. ओके, वो लोग जाकर हरे कृष्णा हनुमान जी हमको आशीर्वाद करिए, हमको भी भक्ति मिलना, शक्ति मिलना, वो बोलता है. बाकी लोग बोलता है अरे यार बुरा लोग है, थोड़ा लोग उनको मारता है, अरे चल इधर क्लास हो जाए, तू इधर क्या क्यों है. Three type of person. One is proper understanding, another is out of ignorance, just third is misunderstanding. अभी कौन को ज्यादा प्रॉब्लम होता है? मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग. जैसे कृष्ण से अवजानाति मामूढ़ा. Some foolish person is thinking that I am taking human form. Okay, that's why Krishna said, Sarva Bhukyatama Bhuya, again and again telling to you about myself. बार बार मैं पूछता हूँ कौन के बारे में, मुझे समझने का वो नॉलेज से कितना बेनिफिट है. सो इंडियंस आर नॉट जानाति. इंडियंस आर नॉट जानाति, ज्ञान नहीं है. सेकेंड इज व्हाट? Ajanandi. Ajanandi is foreigners. They don't know anything about Krishna, Rama. Okay, that's why when Prabhupada went to foreign and preached, they accepted. As now I am reading Gargamuni Brahmka, dealings with Prabhupada. Just 21 years old, Prabhupada, he won't preach. They went and preach. They कितना लोग preach करते हैं? How many of you are preaching daily? But they are ignorance of Krishna, but Prabhupada gave Bhagavad Gita, they understood the entire preach. Indians are avajanati, misunderstood. Very dangerous. They have knowledge, but wrong knowledge. Correct? How many of you Kerala में देखा पारवा कावड़ी, टूटू कावड़ी? ये शरीर के पीछे जो हुक डालकर ऐसे जाता है, देखा? देखा? पता नहीं क्या? वो फ्लाई करने की कोशिश करता है. कोई आपको प्रॉब्लम है तो आप बोलेगा मैं एक आदमी को ऐसा generally Mataji's do for husband do for Mataji's. If something happen to उनको मैं तो ऐसा. If you go to Tamil Nadu, सुब्रमण्य स्वामी वो जगह में इसको इसमें ये त्रिशूल सुब्रमण्य ना उसको they dance. Some people put camera there and dance. Some people put it here, some people put it here. Even if you go to Ajita Devi, put your for the kids. इतना बच्चा है ना, इसको इधर ऐसा ये क्या बोलेगा नील में ऐसा डालकर they will dance. And Tamil Nadu you go, they make a shoe with the nails and they tie it and they will dance. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Ram, very easy. Right? So, we have a lot of misconception. That's why Krishna is again like that. You should understand me. ये knowledge बहुत important है. Because you are my friend, I am explaining to you. We have a close intimacy. Krishna is telling this. This was spoken by Krishna. He is telling, you are my very dear friend. We have, it's called me four friends of Lord Krishna. Are we friends of Lord Krishna or enemies of Lord Krishna? We haven't become friends, but we are now Chatru Bhavana. Right? So, Krishna is telling, if you are not understanding about me, what will happen? Punaravi Jananam, Punaravi Maranam. Again and again, you have to take birth and death. Birth, death. And not only that, continuously we will exist in this material world. ये भौतिक लोक में हम शाश्वत में रहते हैं. कितना लोगों को अच्छा लगता है ये जगह? मटीरियल कितना लोगों को अच्छा लगता है? Anybody here from Bharatpur? हाँ? ये राजस्थान में ना? ये राजस्थान से यूपी आने वाला है ना? मथुरा के पास है. जयपुर से अगर भरतपुर आएगा ना, ये शाम को आप जाइए भरतपुर, वो जगह में जाइए, रोड में ये टीनेज पीपल दे दो पुशअप्स रनिंग करते हैं, मेन वो हाईवे मथुरा वृंदावन में भी करते हैं ना. मथुरा में देखा नहीं, ये हाईवे में पूरा लोग. मैंने एक बार गाड़ी के ऊपर पूछा क्यों आप सब हमको आर्मी में जाना है इसलिए डूइंग कोशिश. नहीं वही यू कांट गो फॉर अदर जॉब, ये नो अदर जॉब, इसलिए हम आर्मी के सकते हैं. सो इच्छा से नहीं जाता, दूसरा काम नहीं है इसलिए मैं जाता. जाने के बाद इच्छा होता है दूसरा है. So what I'm telling is, so this material world is full of problem. You go for software engineer, now I ask one by what was your computer engineer? अरे पूरा यही हो रहा है, क्यों पता है? पूरा यही हो रहा है, क्यों पता है? So better you read Bhagavad Gita and Bhagavad preach, they have lot of scope. Right? So Krishna is saying, my knowledge, confidential knowledge. So, here Krishna is first glorifying the knowledge. In the Shastra, the knowledge is always compared to the one element, material. What is that element? Radhanath Maharaj used to say, okay, we have 5 material matters, na? Earth, water, fire, air, ether. In this पांच में ज्ञान को किस चीज से कंपेयर करता है? Fire. Jnana-agni, right? Jnana-agni. Why it is called as Agni? क्यों? ज्ञाना वाटर नहीं, ज्ञाना यार नहीं, ज्ञाना हीटर नहीं, ज्ञाना साउंड नहीं, क्यों? ना? Ignorance. Ignorance. Okay. 50% बाकी साइंस का सब्जेक्ट है. Purify existence. Okay. Now we want to discuss in a technical way, scientific way. आग वो ऊपर जलेगा नीचे आएगा, ऊपर क्यों? When the fire is there, when the fire burns, the oxygen, the vacuum will be created, the other air will come and try to fill the space, so that then it will pull the fire. Am I right, Moji? Science will put सही बोल रहा है ना? ये साइंस बोल रहा है. But if you have knowledge, you always see at the top. हमको knowledge है तो हम ऊपर देखेंगे, नीचे नहीं देखेंगे. Right or wrong? Have you ever seen Prabhupada's photo? Any photos? Prabhupada always sit like this. He always sit like this. क्यों? See any photo, that photo कैसा बैठा है? ऊपर, हम कैसा बैठा? आपका शादी का फोटो देखिए, रिटायरमेंट का, ज्वाइनिंग डे, कोई अवार्ड मिला, सब ऐसा. क्यों? If you keep your head for a long time like this, you feel pain. Why? Because we have a lot of karma, you can't see like this. A lot of karmas, pulling down. Imagine you have 25 kg rice sack in your head. Now somebody says, "Upar dekho." You can't see like this, right? Why? If there is nothing, then you can see. The person who is not having karma, he can only sit like this for a long time. हम भी ऐसा बैठ सकता है. हरे कृष्ण. ऊपर देखने से so the light, fire always burn the outside. The person who is having knowledge always sees upside. Upside is for God. Bhagavan ka God is. The second thing is, here Krishna is explaining the intimacy of the relation. Many times we do counseling. Wife will come and complain about her husband will come and complain about the wife. What is the problem? He is not spending time with me, Prabhuji. ये जो खाया पिया कुछ नहीं बनता. Somebody is giving you chai, like that he is going for a job, coming back, and later. How many husbands are calling from the office? 12 o'clock. Did you have your lunch? नहीं? क्यों नहीं? और वो ऐसा? अंजलि को ऐसा? But 8 o'clock, पति has to come on time. if पति नहीं आए तो 8:01 क्या हुआ? Yes, out of love or out of doubt I don't know. क्यों नहीं आया? कहाँ? अभी आएगा 5 to spend a lot of time. That's why they think we have to get married, we have to get married. After marriage, they try to avoid it. Why? पति पत्नी को देखने से अवॉइड हुआ, पत्नी पति को देखने से क्यों? It's happening at that. Here it's very important. For a devotee, we have a very intimacy time with Krishna. What is the time? Chanting. When we chant Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare, we, the soul and the super soul, we are sitting together and discussing. 2 days before, in Varkala, we had a last final 4 topic. रात में या दिन में नहीं कर सकते क्या वो अक्सर मिशन रोड के बीच में है तो ट्रैफिक जाम इसलिए हम रात किया. So construction is going on. I told her, okay, you guys, I go to the beach, just 50 meters of the beach. So I went to the beach. पुलिस नहीं है, कोई नहीं है. रात में भी कपल्स है, रात में भी लोग है, शराब पीता है, बीच में. And I went and sitting, for some time next to me, some guy was, they are drinking. They are very such an intimacy relation with the friendship. They are speaking so many things out of liquor consumption. Right? So they are very long thing हो गया. हम दोनों ऐसा बैठकर शराब पीने से, हाँ जी, क्या? अरे आप कैसे लीजिए? That says some couples and so many. So we are also having intimacy time. That is early morning time. 4 to 6, 7 chanting time. With Krishna. Me and Krishna sitting alone, not with the group, sitting alone and discussing so many things. When this intimacy develops, we will get tasting Krishna consciousness. आपको टेस्ट नहीं तो क्या मिलेगा? बोरिंग. चैंटिंग हमको चैंटिंग करने से आनंद मिलता है, चैंटिंग कंप्लीट करने से आनंद मिलता है. क्या सही बोला? चैंटिंग कंप्लीट करने के बाद आज का चैंटिंग हो गया. देखो हरे कृष्ण चैंटिंग 16 फिनिश. रीडिंग करने से आनंद मिलता है, रीडिंग होने के बाद आनंद मिलता है. Everything is like this. So, because why? Because we are lagging in this intimacy time. Once I was traveling, very interesting. Once I was traveling, the train upper berth. दूसरा वो साइड में एक लड़का था. वो लड़का वो फोन करता है. कौन को फोन करेगा? रात में गर्लफ्रेंड को. सुन सकता? Yesterday is my birthday. Why you didn't call me? I was waiting for you to call. Who is telling? This guy said, I don't know what she did. And he was literally, yesterday I felt so bad. Then I passed, I went, Baba, emotion come करो, मुझे सोना है, so. Then he went outside, Sometimes when I am traveling, somebody calls, I am in train, I'll call you. Because I can't hear anything, I don't know some problem. Here or here, I don't know. Then train से बाहर आने के बाद discuss करेगा. How this communication, such intimacy. Do we have this much of intimacy while chanting Hare Krishna with Krishna? That's it. The intimacy, the friendship, relation is so strong. Krishna's glorifying those things because you are a dear friend. That's why I explained to you. Prabhupada said, a common person can't understand this thing. Only a devotee can understand. So, it's a very interesting thing. Gargamuni and 3-4 Maharajas They four are very first initiated. And Prabhupada wrote, go and preach. In between, Prabhupada came to India because of treatment. Okay. Now, they all wrote a letter to Prabhupada. Prabhupada, without you, we can't live here. Who's writing? Without you, we can't live in San Francisco. Please, Prabhupada, come back. They are 20-21-year-old. Prabhupada is 7-year-old. Did any teenage people will tell to the grandfather, without you, I can't live? Then Prabhupada told, if you wish, if you want my association, where I sat for class meeting class, there you can keep my photo. And they told, we don't have photo. Those times cameras are not there, no? We don't have camera. We don't have your photo. What should we do? Prabhupada immediately told, okay, I will send you something. They took very first photo. This was the first photo taken for. I will send to the group. This was the first photo. Prabhupada was sitting with the books, Yasasan, he was sitting with it, and somebody take photo and not take print out and send it. They prayed it, and very first time Prabhupada gave permission because you are feeling such a gap, so we keep it. After that only Prabhupada photos are taken. Right? So they are having just a 6-month association with Prabhupada. They told, I think so. Don't add, we need your association. So Prabhupada gave a permission. Then, before Prabhupada goes to reaching America, he took sannyas. He is trying to go to America, but he is not getting tickets. That time Prabhupada was that time Rajasthan. Prabhupada Calcutta में रहता था. Calcutta में सीतानाथ बैनर्जी है. Okay, सीतानाथ बैनर्जी में एक अपार्टमेंट में Prabhupada था. उधर फर्स्ट फ्लोर में गौरी मठ उसको रेंटल में क्या कोई घर रेंट में they rented a house and they are teaching Sanskrit to the brahmacharis. That was Gauri. नीचे Prabhupada रहता था. Prabhupada के घर में अंदर की शक्ल में अच्छा नहीं था, इसलिए Prabhupada वो स्टेयरकेस में बैठकर चैंटिंग करेगा. स्टेयरकेस लैंडिंग is there, there Prabhupada will sit and chant. That I know it. So after the class, everybody is coming out. That time there was a devotee, his name is Guru. He was teaching Sanskrit to the brahmacharis. So some brahmacharis like Prabhupada, Hare Krishna both there, then Guru Maharaj, Guru Sastra. He was discussing with Prabhupada. Prabhupada, today I am discussing a sloka about Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. What is it? Mahaprabhu is telling, my names are glorified in all the cities and towns. I think it's not city and town, it's only city, no town. And I think moreover it's only in India, not all over the world. Who wrote? Don't go to the Shastra. Prabhupada बोला नहीं ऐसा नहीं है. If महाप्रभु बोला तो वो पूरा जगह में हो जाएगा. डोरबल शास्त्री बोला अरे काउंट करेगा कितना दिन हो गया प्रभु क्या महाप्रभु आने जाने के कितना वर्ष हो गया काउंट करेगा. प्रभुपाद बोला ये भक्ति सिद्धांत सरस्वती महाराज के एक foolish disciple do this. What do you do? Foolish disciple. Then Guru Shastri said, maybe I am the person. Then Prabhupada answered, look at, मैट को लेकर बोला एक स्टेप नीचे आकर करके बोला that is not you. That he was thinking inside, maybe I am. लोग ऐसा सोचते हैं ये जीविस में एक महान है और तो हम सब लोग क्या सोचते हैं प्रभु बोला आप नहीं है तुम नहीं है. Then don't know this as who I don't know who is going to the foolish disciple. Who is that foolish disciple? Prabhupada. Me going to that time was Augusta. Right? Then after 1950 he got sannyas and he was sitting in Radha Damodar temple and how many chapati and sabji. One young couple came. Prabhupada है और एक सन्यासी है दोनों लोग बैठकर डिस्कस कर रहे हैं ऐसा बेसिकली. So that time I think that is सन्यासी लोग Akhinchandra Swami. Akhinchandra Swami, they are discussing how to reach. That time one family, young couple, they saw and they went back. Then Prabhupada told, I think that couple are thinking two old men are taking chapatis and sabji. But they don't know I am the person going to preach the whole world. That has happened 1950 or 23. When Prabhupada went? 1965. Right? Prabhupada was so confident. I am going to all over the world and preach. So, the intimacy of relation is going to be us. Prabhupada knows I have intimate relation. Each of us are having intimate relation with Krishna. हम सब लोगों को है बाबा के साथ ये रिलेशन है उसको एस्टैब्लिश करना है वही है चैंटिंग just kind of relation read Prabhupada books daily over Prabhupada books go and preach just they will argue they won't accept you no issue just preach जीवे से आइए नहीं तो मलयालम में तो हमारे तिरुमाला में है उधर आइए सत्य आइए मंदिर आइए कृष्ण मार्ग आइए आकाश में आइए simple. So this is the Krishna study. Next sloka we can discuss next week. Very important sloka. To not think about meditate about that sloka. So stopping here. Jai Shri Prabhupada ki jai. Hare Krishna. Any comments, questions?
थैंक यू कभी lecture. और भी सुनते प्रभुपाद जी ने अपने आप को फुलिश क्यों कहा वो तो काफी ज्ञान का मतलब फुलिश
प्रभु जी का क्वेश्चन प्रभुपाद ने क्यों अपने आप को फुलिश that is the one symbol of humility. Okay, see, many times we don't know anything, but we try to speak so many things. Suppose somebody is asking you one question, whether a Krishna, you don't know the answer. What do you say? But we try to speak so many things, But if you don't know what to say, I'll check it and confirm it. I'll check it with my senior officer. You won't say why, what they think about it. But Mahaprabhu, 7 days, is sitting in front of Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya. The Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya is speaking all nonsense. Just was listening. Who is listening? Mahaprabhu is listening. How much humility. So Prabhupada is having a real humility. We are not in front of Prabhupada will be humility. Then, on interview, Prabhupada was questioned, are you God? What Prabhupada told? No, I am not God, I am dog. Dog of Krishna. The thing increased going on. Lakhs of people are watching this thing. Prabhupada told, I am a dog. So to say, all the acharyas will what they are saying. Bhaktivinoda songs. Amar Jivan Sada Bhakti Nahi Ko life is full of sinful activities. I am not doing any good thing. Who is telling? Okay, to say this thing we need guts. Right? Nothing. Just talking, My life is useless. It's a real symbol of humbleness. We are not like this. Suppose somebody is challenging, immediately you are the challenger. Right?
How will we attain this quality? How will we achieve this quality?
Just one passage let's explain to you. You know Juhu land? Juhu ISKCON? You have been there?
Yes, this is
Okay. Anybody read Prabhupada Leela Brother Prabhupada biography? Juhu land, how much Prabhupada struggled to purchase this land? That one Mr. Yan from Kerala, Nayak, tried to cheat Prabhupada. Prabhupada struggled and get the land and get back the land. After getting the land, in the corner there was a small house. This guy also gave advance to the Nayak. So he's not vacating. So Prabhupada went and spoke on this vacate. He was not vacating, he was fighting, Then Prabhupada asked, how much you want? Then kitna aap dega? Prabhupada bola, kitna aap puchna? Kitna dega? Then Prabhupada walked outside. Then समझ आइए बैठे हाँ पैसा नहीं गुस्सा नहीं होना हाँ कितना Prabhupada prayed how much you want. He got 30,000. That time it was huge amount. Then Prabhupada said yes. Today I can get it. Then he told tomorrow okay I will get a land. Then what he told Prabhupada, he told ISKCON devotees, if I vacate, the people, the public may think I was thrown away by ISKCON. So that's the nature of India. That's why we do one thing. Your Guruji has to come and carry my mother photo in the hand. Whose mother? That landlord, that he has to carry, and you people has to do kirtan and carry my mother photo and kept it in my house and brought Prabhupada. Who is Prabhupada? Acharya, founder Acharya Krishna. Prabhupada said, okay. Prabhupada carried the road. 50 minutes he walked and he gave it to Kamal Krishna Maharaj. First imagine this memories. Neeraj Maharaj, he spoke Zero. So, Prabhupada's love for Krishna. Prabhupada is saying, I promise you this land that I will do anything and I will make you to sit here. Like army person, they are fighting for Kargil, because this is my country. Without love for country, they can't do like this, right or wrong? What I have seen, once it happened, my sister gave her daughter, but it was just, it's okay. I don't know how these mothers are carrying their chair. They are not going to gym. That day I was healthy, I was working in pipe shop, I lifted, carried 2 tons of pipe, just walked this much far. I go, sister, I can't lift her. She's only hardly 12 kg. I used to carry in my shoulder, 1 kilometer walk, the Bhagavad Gita box, luggages, everything. But because I don't have any love for her, because it's not my chair, it's sister chair. After the chair was train में so you can't do like this because you are loving her. That's why she's not a burden for you. Am I right? Love for Krishna makes you I need to do something for my mission, spiritual, Prabhupada, Guru Maharaj, something. You have to love Krishna. One day if you read Bhagavad Gita, Bhagavad, you should feel bad. I said, no, Prabhupada, Krishna told, so what you reading one day, what will happen? Love and affection for Krishna. Any other questions or comments? Okay, Hare Krishna. So we are very, very thankful to this landlord. How many of you noticed this area, this hall was painted? Nobody noticed? अच्छा है ना? उनको बाकी दो लोग हैं, उन्होंने बोला हम कर रहे हैं. One by one we can go slowly. And one more good news. How many of you know that we already acquired land for our Gita Yoga Center? Where is our land? Nishke Pass. Dulu was Nishke Pass. Air Force Station है ना? आपका पीछे है वहाँ से Nishke है उसके अंदर. So today this contractor for soil testing and everything. Because we have to do soil test, to find out, to do construction, we are going to start. We have to apply to the government and it takes 3-4 months time. In between we finish Varkala and Kola and we will start here. We also be ready. Financially, emotionally, all supports are there. How many are ready for this thing? You find out some kind of, चिट्ठी, आरती, आपको कितना अभी से? Okay, अभी से बोला. महाराष्ट्र में जैसे हम बहुत ही हम सब लोग हैं. रोजी, I can make this meeting. Why am I telling this? This is going to be our temple. 5 cents land is there. We can listen. We have planned to have a lift. नीचे कुकिंग हॉल है. वहाँ से ऊपर आने के लिए इतना आपको ऐसे देखते हैं ऊपर 2-3 rooms like boys everything. Now they are calling Prodigy. There is base है. They can stay, they can cook, they can eat. Maybe within 1.5 years we can finish this project according to the financial flow. So what I can say is this other temple we are going to construct. How many are ready? Just Maharashtra temple is already there. Money is not required. We need a devotion power to bring the temple from the भूमि के अंदर से बाहर लेने के लिए हमको बल चाहिए. क्या बल? Scriptures चाहिए. देखो एक अपने समय में गिनी बाहर to it. Like that it will manifest. So today Prodigy came, the engineer came. Next week we are going to do the soil test. Keep on update of these things. And I have a request after Radhastami next month, one day, they are to do Mahaprabhu temple, this exhibition Mahaprabhu. That day, Prasadam will arrange for temple, we can engage and be ready after Radhastami. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna. I am very, very thankful to all of you for donating generously for Krishna Jayanti. This time, as I go appreciated a lot of Hindi people, almost some Jana, Malayalis come, Hindi people Jana. So was so happy, and I am only whether this 5 cents is sufficient for the preaching of that. You have only 5 cents. चाहिए तो next generation, they can develop. ठीक है ना जी, उनको चाहिए तो वो हमको भी नहीं कर सकता. हरे कृष्ण.
गीता क्लास का तरह से माता जी रहती है ना, उसमें जरा से ज्यादा आए थे.
हाँ, थैंक यू. यही है मेरे को
माता ये वाली है इधर.
नहीं नजीब माता जी
है. ज्योति माता जी.
जोली ये यहाँ का सीनियर डिवोटी है जोली माता जी. कितना साल हो गया?
प्रभु पे नहीं हूँ. अभी तक नहीं.
बट वो अम्बुलेंस है, इतनी बार कितना साल हो गया इसका मिला? यहाँ पर 5 years. 5 years. She's और ना मंदिर बना के लिए रास्ता हो गया